Hello friends, so today I will tell you how I celebrated my birthday in lockdown and how you can also celebrate your birthday too. I am sure many of you must have had your birthdays during the lockdown and must have thought how to celebrate it because this year we can't go out, even we were so scared to bring the cake from the bakery, and it was very difficult. And moreover, there were bad news, sad news everywhere. Like we open the TV and we just see the bad news that the numbers of the corona cases were just increasing. Even the WhatsApp was also flooded with the same messages. So just sadness all over. And but at the same time we had to be happy at home also, because we have children at home, and we have to be very positive and be happy at home also despite whatever is happening outside. So friends, I decided to celebrate my birthday in some unique way. You can see the pictures, and you can understand how I celebrated my birthday. And friends, stay till the end so that I can tell you how you can also celebrate your birthday or loved one's birthday in some unique ways with very little money but lot of enjoyment. So friends, you must have seen the pictures, you must have seen the tables and food and some park. So yes, we went to some park to celebrate my birthday. As I was in US, so walking and going to park was allowed, but you need to keep 6 feet difference distance. And in the parks the play areas were closed, so only which things were allowed where there were some picnic tables. So we went there and we celebrated my birthday over there. And we did go with the mask on. We everyone wore mask over there, and we did carried hand sanitizer, disinfectant wipes with us. And actually this idea was, every time I used to think of celebrating the birthday of my son in the park, but his birthday comes in the month of February, so it is windy and very cold here. So we never got a chance to celebrate his birthday in the park. So I thought, why not me? If this is the opportunity, let me make use of it and let me celebrate my birthday, because ultimately it's some kind of celebration only. Whoever birthday is there, it's a kind of celebration. Everybody, all the family members are going to enjoy it. And my birthday comes in May, so we went there. We took some disposable tablecloth with us. We get here disposable tablecloths, disposable plates, and disposable glasses. So all the disposable things we got with us. And cake was actually baked by my son. I was really scared, if we don't prepare the cake at home, he would ask me to buy from outside, and I was scared. I was not willing to buy the cake from outside. So we both of us prepared the cake, and I prepared the lunch. We went in the lunch time, so I prepared the lunch. My husband insisted that it's your birthday, so don't prepare anything, but I was scared to eat any outside food, so I prepared all the lunch by myself. And then we went to the park and we celebrated. and everybody kept more than 6 feet distance in the park. There were many tables, not only our table, but there were many tables. So I had lot of people in my birthday party, uninvited guests. When my husband and my son sang the birthday song for me, so everybody around me started singing the birthday song and they were clapping. So it became a kind of big celebration for me. So and one more thing, the gifts. So gift my son ordered from Amazon and my husband ordered it from Swarovski online store. So some of the stores online they were operating, and Amazon was Amazon employees were they were giving groceries, everything, and other things also they were supplying. So so friends, now I will tell you how you can celebrate your birthday. So friends, if you have liked my way of celebrating the birthday in the park, you can definitely try that one. That is also very good. And if you don't want to go into the park, you can try some other things, like you can celebrate your birthday in the home. But I would suggest not to celebrate the birthday in your center park part of your home, but to go either in your patio or balcony and celebrate over there, so that you can get a feeling of celebrating little bit outside of your house. And you can prepare the cake at home and prepare some lunch or dinner, whatever is your plan, like the lunch party or the dinner party, you can do that. You can play some board games or you can sing some songs. So like this you can celebrate your birthday. Or you can also, if you are missing your family members, you can put the video call, and you can just put the video call and they can also celebrate with you, so they can see how you are celebrated. So in that you can get a feel that everybody is around you. And if you don't want to celebrate in house, then another option is that you can go to the top terrace of your building, and on the top terrace you can carry some plastic chairs and plastic tables, and you can celebrate over there. And if you don't have any plastic tables, plastic chairs, then you can just carry one mat, everybody can sit down. It is okay, in lockdown you can sit down and celebrate. No need for chairs, so you can sit down, carry a small stool with you wherein you can keep the cake, carry the food, and you can celebrate your birthday. You can dance, you can party, because terrace is a big area. So again, see what all things you can do on terrace. So you can dance, sing some songs, or play some board games. So so anything you can try on the terrace also. And friends, if you like if you liked my ideas, definitely give it a try. And if you have celebrated your birthday in some unique ways, please write it in the comment box. I will definitely love to try your ideas. If you like, and one more thing I wanted to add is there, because we are staying for so long time with our family members in the lockdown, like office is not there, school is not there, so everybody is there, family members are there with you for 24 hours. So friends, I would suggest make some memories in this time. Spend your moments, make some memories. So every birthday celebration or something like that will have a very nice memory, that in the lockdown also you are having a very good memory with your family, and a very good time spent with your family. So friends, if you liked my video, please like, subscribe and share.